Hi friends, welcome back. And today will be the second video of the configuration. In the previous video, if you have seen, I have explained you how to create a company. And today, the next step is the creation of company code, right? So, as usual, I logged in SAP system and I will be giving SPRO here, press enter, then SAP reference IMG, and here we have to go the enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and if you remember last time the video I created, that was a defined company. Now today I'm going to create the company code over here. So this is the step where you need to click and you will be going to create a company code. But before that, I will like to tell you one thing for your in-depth study and reading and analysis. We have a documentation available here. As I told you previously, if you click this documentation, you can have the detailed information over here. And this is, I will tell you one thing, this is the best uh, material available, which is the SAP authorized product. If you go and read, give some time, 2 3 minutes, and read it, it will be very beneficial for you, right? So why we are going to create a company code? A company code, let's say, is a branch or a subsidiary. Company is a group, but when you talk about the branch or subsidiary which is located in different cities, maybe different countries, right? For example, I will take you very simple example. We have TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. Now this TCS may be having branches in Lucknow, in Bangalore, in Noida, in Chennai, and they're having the branches all over the world, maybe in USA, maybe uh, Germany, or different countries in the world. So here the main intent is to create a company code, as much as 100 company codes uh, around you can create. There is no um, specific limit. You can create as many as company codes, and that company codes will belong to your parent company. So here the step is you need to click over here and you have the edit company code. When you see here, you have the edit company code data. So you double click on this and you will be coming onto the screen. Click on the new entries button here, and here you need to give company code. Now one thing you should be very careful about it is when you are going to create a company code, that company code ideally should be a numeric case. It should be a 4-digit numeric value. You can take any company code. You can take 1000, you can take 1200, whatever you want to take. It should be numeric. So here I'm just trying to take a company code which is 0786. And this is the company code which is I am creating if my branch or my subsidiary is located in India. The parent company which I have created already in my first video, that is an Indian company. Now I am creating a company code which is in India, which is a domestic company. So here I can give like as usual, national projects, and city, for example, I'm just giving here, maybe I'm giving Noida. Country, obviously you can type IN. As I have already told you, you can select from this particular list also. Currency, obviously it will be INR, and the language is EN, and press enter. So here what is the thing is coming, why it is appearing in red, because already this code is being taken, and since this is the learning system where you will find that multiple users are having different kind of they created their value, so that's why it is happening here. But when you will be working in a real time project, this thing will not happen. It will be a new software, a licensed software, where everything will be created on the scratch. So we will try some different value. We will try this one, maybe. Let's let's see it works out or not. So it is also existing. I will take let's say 4888. It is also existing. I will take 0808. So it has taken, right? Or else maybe some different value, maybe I will take 5000. That will also been taken by somebody. So I will take 0808 and I will press enter. So this time the system has accepted, and if you see the entries which you have given, it has been accepted. Now you will click on save. This is the save button. But when you will click the save, you will be coming on to this detailed areas where you need to define other things, like what is the title. Let's say it's a company, you need to select company. The name you have to give here. Corporation. So that much you can take, because it has some restrictions. Search term not required. Basically you can give first 2 3 letters, so that in case you want to search your company, you can find it out. And here you can give the real time address, whatever the address you're having, right? And you can give the postal code. Let's say this one. Country, obviously IN. And region, I will be taking, let's say, if my state or the city, lying in which state actually. If my company is located in Noida, so definitely I will be selecting the Uttar Pradesh, UP. Here you can give um, the postal code. So either you give the postal code or company code, it can be accepted. And here if you see the multiple communication method, how you can communicate within your company, and different telephone, mobile phone, and faxes has been given. So you can mention, as I said, in the real implementation you will get it, and you have to put all the information required. Here you can see the preview. There is a preview button over here. If I click preview, see, whenever you are going to save, or either you are selecting the preview, means it is advisable that you should select a preview, that at least it will show you whether the data you have entered is correct or not. So they have clearly mentioned PO box postal code must have the length 6. So here I can give the postal code. Wrongly I have given, but I will give 201301, and then I will go for the save finally. If I go preview this time, it is taking and it is acceptable. I will click OK, and then I will close this one, and no, I think here only we need to save preview. Okay, there, then you can click this one. Okay, so when you this pop-up is appear, that means your data is going to save, and then you finally click OK. So here if you see, your 0808 company is already created. So if I go back once again and click on this, and again click on edit company code data, and I want to position here, I can position, and suppose I know what is your company code, I will press enter. So it is advisable that whatever you are going to create, please note it down as a notes in your notebook, so that you will not forget. You can immediately capture it and you can find it out. So this was my the next video. It's basically step number 2, and in a forthcoming video I will be explaining you that if you want to create a company code which is located outside India, how you will going to create it. Okay, so thank you very much and stay tuned with us. Thank you.